to make the easy on the teeny, you'll need 20 ml of vodka. I'm using Belvedere for that nice rye spice. Then you need 20 ml of apple liqueur. I'm using Massanez Pomme Verte. 20 ml of cloudy apple juice, so you definitely don't want one from concentrate, as close to fresh as you can get. 20 ml of lemon juice. You also need a green apple to do an apple fan garnish. A shaker tin, a hawthorn strainer, a fine strainer, and a nice martini or coupe glass. So as always, we're gonna get our garnish ready. I am a bit of a sucker for cheesy garnishes, so I do like to go for an apple fan garnish. And we're gonna need some fresh lemon juice for this one, so we'll give half a lemon a squeeze. Now I like to keep this one really nice and easy, so just equal parts of all of your ingredients. So we start with 20 ml of vodka, then 20 ml of a good quality apple liqueur. I'm going for Massanez Pomme Verte, but Giffard or Cartron are other pretty big names that also make good quality ones. 20 ml of cloudy apple juice and 20 ml of fresh lemon juice. Now we're going to fill the small half of the shaker tin with as much ice as you can fit in there. Pop your tins together and shake as hard as you can. Now you can adjust this with a little bit of sugar syrup if you like. It is quite tart, but I like it like that. You want to grab your martini glass out of the fridge. You're just going to use your hawthorn strainer to hold the ice back and then just flow it through the fine strainer. Garnish with the required apple fan. And there we have it. Bomba's easy on the teeny. So now you know.